Low Earth orbit is now the battleground for global tech supremacy, where the future of internet access and digital power is being decided above our heads. For years, SpaceX's Starlink led the satellite internet revolution, connecting remote corners of the world and bringing high-speed access to places once left in the digital dark. But in early 2025, China's state-backed satellite internet service shocked the industry with a leap in speed and power that few thought possible so soon. Recent tests show China's network delivering a staggering 1 gigabit per second, 5 times faster than Starlink's average. This isn't just a technical milestone, it's a statement of intent. This isn't a minor upgrade, it's a disruptive leap that challenges Starlink's dominance and signals a new era in satellite communications. The impact is profound. Underserved regions could see transformative digital access, and nations now have a powerful alternative to Western-led solutions. For millions, this could mean affordable, reliable internet for the very first time. The balance of power in space-based communications is shifting rapidly, with new alliances and rivalries forming as countries race to secure their digital futures. China's rise is no accident. It's the result of a focused national strategy launched in 2020, prioritizing satellite internet as critical infrastructure and pouring resources into research, development, and deployment. Massive state resources and engineering talent were mobilized to build a sovereign, world-class system, with thousands of satellites launched in record time. The world is witnessing the results. China is now setting the pace in global connectivity, and its influence is spreading far beyond its borders. The assumption of American dominance is being seriously challenged, as China's network offers a credible, high-performance alternative on the world stage. A new chapter in satellite internet has begun, and China is writing it at record speed, forcing the world to rethink what's possible in global communications. The race for the fastest, most accessible internet is officially on, and the outcome will shape the digital landscape for generations to come. China's speed advantage comes from a blend of advanced technologies, not a single breakthrough. It's the result of years of coordinated research, massive investment, and a relentless drive to innovate across every layer of the satellite internet ecosystem. At the core are high-throughput satellites, active, intelligent communication hubs, not just passive relays. These satellites are equipped with cutting-edge processors and adaptive antennas, allowing them to handle enormous volumes of data in real time. These satellites process and route data efficiently, acting like routers in space, and reducing reliance on ground stations. By managing traffic directly in orbit, they minimize delays and maximize bandwidth for users on the ground. The result, thousands of users enjoy fast, stable connections without bottlenecks. Even in remote regions, people can access high-speed internet, transforming education, business, and daily life. China's investment in its domestic space industry means it can build these satellites at scale, independent of foreign tech. This self-reliance ensures rapid deployment and constant upgrades, keeping the network at the cutting edge. Superior design and industrial capacity have enabled China to leap ahead. Automated factories and skilled engineers work together to produce next-generation components faster than ever before. This isn't about copying Starlink, it's about surpassing it. China's approach is uniquely tailored to its own needs and ambitions, setting it apart from Western competitors. By maximizing each satellite's data capacity, China has built a network that sets a new industry standard. The system is designed for scalability, reliability, and future growth. The technological leap is deliberate and strategic, not accidental. Every step from research to deployment is part of a larger vision to lead the world in satellite internet. China's network is now the benchmark for speed and efficiency. Other nations are studying its model, hoping to replicate its success. The world is watching, and racing to catch up. As China continues to push boundaries, the global landscape for satellite internet is being reshaped. The bar for satellite internet has been raised, and the next chapter in global connectivity is being written right now. The real game changer? China's use of advanced laser inter-satellite links. Instead of routing data through ground stations, satellites beam information directly to each other at light speed, slashing latency. This creates a seamless, high-capacity mesh network in orbit, a superhighway for data. Orchestrating this complex system is AI, which manages traffic, predicts demand, and reroutes data in real time. The AI ensures optimal connectivity, dynamically allocating bandwidth where it's needed most. The result, consistently fast, resilient service even in remote locations. Laser links provide raw speed, AI delivers intelligent management, Together they make China's network not just fast but smart. This combination puts China's satellite internet in a league of its own. The future of global connectivity is being shaped by these innovations. The rest of the world is now playing catch-up. China's ambition is matched by its industrial might. Two massive projects, Guohang and Qianfan, are building one of history's largest infrastructure networks in orbit. Guohang, managed by China Satnet, aims for 13,000 satellites as the backbone of China's sovereign internet. By mid-2024, over 300 satellites were already in orbit, with launches accelerating. Qianfan, a commercial venture, adds thousands more satellites, closely coordinated with national strategy. Together they form a two-pronged approach, Guohang for national infrastructure, Qianfan for commercial innovation. China's centralized planning enables rapid, coordinated deployment. Over 100 launches are planned for 2025 alone. This isn't just about launching satellites, it's about building a permanent digital highway in space. The scale rivals the world's largest terrestrial networks. China's vision, a globally connected nation, powered by its own celestial infrastructure. The era of Chinese mega-constellations has arrived. With hundreds of satellites now in orbit, China's coverage has rapidly expanded to span most of Asia, connecting even the most remote regions. This vast network is not just about internet access. It's about reshaping the digital landscape and bringing millions of people online for the first time. From bustling cities to isolated villages, the reach of China's satellite constellation is transforming how people communicate, work, and learn. The expansion now stretches into Africa and Latin America. This move is closely tied to China's Belt and Road Initiative, offering high-speed internet to developing nations eager for digital modernization and economic growth. The superior speed, reliability, and affordability of China's network are prompting countries to reconsider their options. Bolivia, for example, recently switched from Starlink to China's system, citing better service and lower costs. For many, this is a chance to leapfrog into the digital age. China is marketing its service as a tool for mutual development and technological sovereignty, often bundling satellite internet with other major infrastructure investments like roads, power grids, and ports. These partnerships are designed to foster long-term alliances and create new opportunities for growth in emerging markets. The appeal is clear: stable, ultra-fast internet from a partner without Western political baggage or restrictions. For many governments, this is a compelling alternative to Western providers. Ambitious plans are already underway to extend coverage to Europe by late 2025, putting China in direct competition with Starlink and other Western networks on their home turf. This global rollout is highly strategic, aiming to establish China as a dominant force in the next era of telecommunications, and to challenge the existing balance of power in the digital world. The digital map of the world is being redrawn, one satellite at a time. As new alliances form and old ones are tested, the competition for global influence is just beginning, and the outcome will shape the future of connectivity for billions. China's aggressive pricing is as disruptive as its speed. In many regions, monthly fees are as low as $20, far below Starlink's $99. This makes high-speed internet accessible to millions who were previously priced out. China's strategy isn't just undercutting the competition, it's creating new markets and expanding digital access. Bundling affordable internet with other infrastructure projects makes adoption easy for governments. For China, market share and influence matter more than immediate profit. This pricing war is a new front in the space race, and China's state-backed model gives it a formidable edge. Satellite internet is becoming a public utility, not a luxury. Starlink isn't standing still. China's leap has sparked a new sense of urgency. SpaceX is rolling out its next-gen Starlink Vi-3 satellites, aiming to match or exceed China's gigabit speeds. Elon Musk has framed the challenge as a catalyst for faster innovation, promising big improvements soon. Starlink's advantages, rapid iteration, reusable rockets, and operational experience, are now being pushed to the limit. The competition is a full-blown technological arms race in space. Both sides are racing to launch new satellites and capture global market share. For Starlink, the challenge is to close the speed gap and compete on price, a tough task for a private company. The former champion is now the challenger. The battle for the fastest network in the sky is on. China's rapid rise hasn't gone unnoticed in the West. Concerns over data privacy and security are mounting. A global network controlled by Beijing raises questions about surveillance and access to sensitive data. Western governments fear potential monitoring of communications and intelligence gathering. In response, the US and EU are considering strict regulations for foreign satellite providers, including data localization and security audits. The result, a digital divide based on trust and geopolitical alignment. Nations must now choose between competing technological ecosystems, each with its own risks and standards. The choice between Starlink and Huawei is no longer just technical, it's geopolitical. The new space race is drawing new lines of division on Earth. Despite tensions, the rivalry between China and Starlink is driving rapid innovation and accessibility. Both sides are pushing the boundaries of satellite technology, resulting in faster, cheaper, and more reliable internet for all. China's low-cost strategy has forced Starlink to rethink its pricing, benefiting consumers worldwide. The digital divide is closing as millions gain access to high-speed internet for the first time. This competition is unlocking human and economic potential, transforming lives and communities. The satellite internet industry is maturing, with real benefits for people everywhere. A competitive market means progress, not stagnation. As China and the US vie for supremacy, they're inadvertently building a more connected world. The future of the internet is in orbit, and it's arriving faster than anyone imagined.